Alright, so it's been quite some time since I've done a video. We've since blown up the over the stove microwave, working on getting a replacement. We have the replacement. This bracket needs to be moved down a little bit more tile, so I gotta trim that out and then we'll have it in. Anyway, so we're doing cottage pie tonight with broccoli. What? I know some of y'all are gonna lose your mind. Anyway. What?
Looks like an eye.
What looks like an eye?
Powder.
Hey. This is the first video you've been in about a year.
I don't know.
You don't know. You're growing up too fast, man. Calm that shit down. What you doing, bro? You say you cut your finger?
I'm tired.
Don't cut your teenagers. Hey, Oliver. Hey. What's up, baby cakes? You're eating a piece of frozen broccoli? How's it taste? It tastes good?
Yeah.
That's debatable, my dude. Thanks, Andrew.
It's pretty. Yeah.
Aubrey, come back.
A bracelet.
Abigail. What's up, Goose? Say hi. Come on, don't get all weird. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello. I'm Goose.
Hello, I'm Goose.
There you go. You're good. I know your boy.
I want to be a platypus.
Hello, Aubrey.
Hi.
Hey. All right, boy. Say peace out. We're gonna eat this.
Peace out. We're gonna eat this. Peace out. We're gonna eat this. Peace out. We're gonna eat
Wow.
this.
Hey guys. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Homer.
No cheese from Oliver?